Hey y'all, it's
You
me.
ain't got no pit bull back there.
No, no dog.
Me and Petunia, we gonna follow Tim back here to see his top secret classified centaur creation. As you can see, Tim has, this man could take apart and build anything. But he, inside the, man, I have never been in here. He's got laser cutters, water cutters. Oh my God, it's a privilege to be in here with you, Tim. This man, this man, oh my God, Tim. Oh my God. The centaur.
I got bikes in here. I got too much junk in here.
Golly. Oh my, man, Tim.
I mean, we doing that bicycle thing now. That's why all these bike parts is all over the place. But you just got to look at the center.
Man, this man, you talk about genius. My God, look at the wings on this thing.
No, the wings on her.
Her.
Yeah.
Tim Willis. You are so... Oh my God, look at this. This is like the face from that movie.
This is another robot.
Man, this man is the coldest inventor, creator I've ever seen in my life. Mr. Tim Willis, y'all.
Sorry about the junk.
The
this
man.
is bicycle season, so we ride our bikes now.
So
know?
you building custom bikes for people?
No. We just get bikes, fix them up, and we do the bike trail. It's the towpath trail. We ride from here to Akron and stuff. You know, it's fun.
And they can give you a call. What's the phone number?
216-630-8982.
You heard it here, folks, man. I am just, man, I got goosebumps from being in here.
That's Petunia.
With this creation of this man and his genius. Y'all just ride by here on 83rd by Central and see, oh my God, it's coming to life. Oh my God, Tim, are you serious? Look, oh my God. Oh my God, the wings. I'm in front of a man, an Autobot, Tim Willis. Tim, oh my God, you're seeing it live here, folks. Uh-oh, here go the wings. The centaur, his newest creation. This is going to be the coldest, the baddest one yet.
Oh yeah.
She. Centaur. Mr. Tim.
Next time you come back, I have everything cleaned out. She be done. Give me a couple of weeks.
She's gorgeous.
Once again, say goodbye to your fans and hello.
All right, people. Thanks for watching.
And you want everybody to be safe, right? Tell them to wear their masks.
Absolutely. Be safe.
All right, Tim. God bless you, man. The genius that is Tim Willis.